When you say a small or big budget for removalist Google ads, how much are you talking about? I have 1,000 Australian dollars per month. What do you think? I'm really not sure what your question is. Are you asking me whether 1,000 Australian dollars per month is enough for you as a budget? I can't answer that because I'm not sure whether it's a campaign running in a small area or the whole country. What are your goals? If you want, see, with budget, it's what you do is if you are brand new to Google Ads, and this is the most commonly asked question, oh, how much should be my budget? Well, you set up a testing budget first. Let's say $1,000, right? Test it and see what happens. But that budget, you should be comfortable losing it. Don't run Google Ads if you think that, oh, this is my last $1,000, or I won't be able to pay my rent, mortgage, or put food on the table for me and my family, and so on. Right? Don't. Never do that. Think of it, okay, this is not a gamble. This is a calculated risk which you are taking because you don't know how good or bad your offer is. You may be setting up the best Google Ads campaign. Everything is correct. You got your right keywords. You got really good ads. You put in the negative keywords. You set up site links, everything, right? But when you get the click onto the landing page, they are not converting. Then you know all my metrics are looking good in Google Ads. Now I need to optimize my landing page with a different offer, different design, photo, image, video, and so on. And then you keep on working towards optimizing that. So it's a two-step process. One is the Google Ads, which I can only do so much about. I can run the best ads, but if the offer or the landing page or the website is not converting, then we need to have a look at that other part of that funnel and then get it sorted out. Once the ads are profitable and you can scale and you can cope with the amount of leads or sales you are getting, then budget should never come into play. You should just keep on increasing it if you want to grow your business. If you're happy with 10 or 15 leads a month or sales, then you just carry on. Budget, then it's got nothing to do with anything else. You just keep that same budget and carry on running those campaign.